May 28, 2025, approximately 3:25 a.m., Olympic Division. A 911 call was received.
Es que estamos aquí en el que está en la Western y la 18. Aquí llegó alguien con pistola queriendo asaltar a los aquí en la Western y 18.
La Western
Y 18, Western y 18.
Señor, ¿todavía están ahí ahorita?
Aquí está el señor con la pistola.
Ok,
Y yo me salí para afuera para pedir auxilio.
Ok, dame un momento, ok, déjame hablar con la patrulla.
Olympic Unit 211 in progress, Western and 18th Street. Standby for further. Code 3 incident 444. Olympic Unit, additional unit 211 in progress, Western and 18th Street. The suspect's inside the armed with a handgun, male, black, wearing a green shirt, pink pants, and a hat. Code 3 incident 444. Additional incident 444.
A little later, the police came for the suspect.
Sir, get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Which way you run? Hey! He's over here. Hey, what's your back? Where is he? Get out! Ya. ¿Dónde se fue? ¿Estás bien? Airship, I think he ran into the parking lot of the U-Haul.
On the north side of this building, in between.
Okay, right here. Hey, hey, hey! Get back! Get back! He got him! Hey! He's right here! Drop the gun! Okay. I see him. Roger, I got the suspect right here in between the building. He's wearing a green shirt, black pants. Get over here! Hey! Get out of there! Hey! Get over here! Get over here! You're gonna get shot! Hey, wait! I got suspect right! Let me see your hands. Hey! It's coming towards you. Hey! Get on the ground, dude. Hey! Get down! Get down! Officer needs help. Shots fired! Get down! Officer needs help! Put it down! Get down! Get down! Officer needs help. Shots fired! Get down! No! Hey, get down, man! Watch out! He's right here! Left the gun! You see him? I see him. Wearing a green shirt, black hat. Get over here! Hey! Get out of here! Hey! Get over here! Get over here! Hey! Move! Move! Hey! Sounds fine. You need help. Come here!
He doesn't have anything in his hand.
Let me see!
Get down! Get down! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You're gonna get tased again!
Free.
Don't move! You're gonna get tased again! Do not move! Get your hands behind your back!
You shot me, I'm shot!
No, you're not.
Shot fired!
Hold the frequency code for...
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Hall to a local hospital to be treated for the injuries sustained as a result of the taser deployment. He was treated and released for booking.
Case status. On May 28, 2025, the Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office filed the following charges against Hall: 2 counts of robbery, 2 counts of assault with a deadly weapon other than a firearm,